When it comes to remote property underwriting, having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference. Here's a list of 3 tools we use in our business to assist in remote property underwriting. First, we use online listing platforms like Zillow and Redfin. These are powerful platforms which use big data and AI to provide their best guess at property valuations. Now, these tools can give you a good starting point for assessing a property's current value and potential ARV, but where they are really powerful is in their historical sales data. Please ignore the software estimated values using the tools for historical data. Next, we have renovation cost estimation tools. There are several programs out there which can help you estimate your renovation costs item by item. These break down potential renovation costs based on your project scope, labor costs, and material costs. They'll help you avoid underestimating expenses, which is crucial when you can't physically inspect a property. Last, broker price opinion. This is where we truly trust our local realtor to see how our potential flip stacks up against the competition. You've built a team of local professionals. Now it's time to trust them to help you gauge the local market and set realistic pricing strategies. By leveraging these 3 types of tools, valuation software, renovation cost estimators, and your local realtor, you'll have a robust toolkit for remote property underwriting.